In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your Steam store preference. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So to do that, just tap on your wallet. If you are using a PC, you can follow. Yeah, so now all you need to do is you just see account details, tap on that. Good, and now let's go to the top here. You're going to do a lot of edits here, so now let's tap on this here. Good, so the first option is for matured content, so you can check them. If you want it, you check it. If you don't want it, you uncheck it, so you can read them here. And this is product types. You can also check and uncheck them if you want to. And this is the type of games you want to see. This is also chat filtering. You can check and uncheck them. It's up to you. And this is operating system. So if you want to see games that are only available on Windows, you can check this, and that's what will be appearing on your store all the time. You can check and uncheck. You see? Good. So that's it on how you edit or you manage your store preferences on Steam. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it. If you have any question, let me know. Peace.